Solid, established, trusted. CDK Global Heavy Equipment is a leading provider of dealership management solutions for heavy equipment dealerships. With complete DMS integration to all areas of your business, you'll have everything you need to run your business better, now and for the long term. Maximize your dealership with CDK.
John Deere Operations Center is very important to our business in promoting technology. Information has great value if you're capable of using it, and the more numbers you get, and the more current the numbers, the more valuable they are. When the system first came out, it was presented to us by Deere. We had lots of resentment from customers because Deere was going to get rich off their inventory. Excuse me, not inventory, but their data. And it took time to sell them, but we're in the importance of documenting information when things are sprayed and what it got sprayed with. And so by having all this information documented, it becomes valuable information, and you can do statistical analysis on numbers if they're documented and make better judgments for future use. One of our goals was to be more part of the agriculture community instead of just an iron salesman. Be in tune. I want my people to be in tune with our customers. And one of the ways we've done this is 2 years ago we set up a test plot and we coordinated it with a seed sales company in the area, and we used their land and we used our equipment, and we used college kids to help prep us for this, and we did different tests with different seed spacing, different fertilizer applications, and just to show how what kind of results you can get with our equipment. This is very similar to things that state universities do, but customers are impressed when it's local. They take that granted as more gospel, and it also elevates our look into the customer's eyes. This is a very technologically and a motivated area. Our customers are on top of things, and we're very fortunate to have our customers at base that we do. And it's good to be a leader in the community. That way we can sell them the newest and the greatest, and then we can trade in their trade-ins and move them to less areas where their thought pattern is less inclined, progressive and inclined to take on progress. And this was one of the first areas that got involved in no-till back in the mid-'80s, and in the mid-'90s when harvesting monitoring was started, I pushed that very hard, and it takes time to get data, and the more data you get, the more reliable it is. And then one of the satires is when harvesting data first came in, the customers thought our monitors were inaccurate because the needles jumped all over. Well, we found out that the monitors were correct and the yields did fluctuate that much. So now as precision data and things are moving in, we're adjusting inputs to make crops consistent across fields. As we're planting thicker populations, we're getting more forage, and even though no-till's good, it has its limits of what it will work with in crop residue. So it's become vital that we do use some sort of vertical tillage, which is a compromise between tillage and no-till. Hopefully we can keep taking care of our customers. I'm sure our customer base is going to change. We're getting more of the baby boomers. We'll be retiring. They're at that age, and we do have a younger generation coming on, the millennials. They think and act much different than their parents did. So they will take a different touch to keep on top of them. And hopefully, even though I'm a baby boomer, I can take enough classes or learn enough about how to handle millennials that we will make it work.